Hey, so if you have an Evo 10 or a Ralliart and you want to upgrade your factory sub with the factory sealed box, or you want to install a sub with the factory sealed box, here's an option, and this is what I'm doing. So as you can see here, we have the factory box with the factory Rockford Fosgate sub. This came on the Rockford Fosgate package for Evo 10s and Ralliarts. So my old car had the Rockford Fosgate system. And my new car did not come with the Rockford Fosgate system from the factory. So what I'm going to be doing is transferring this box to my new car. And instead of just going with this factory sub here for Rockford Fosgate, I actually wanted to upgrade it. So here's an option that you can do. So I ended up purchasing a different subwoofer. It's another Rockford Fosgate. This is the R2 Prime series. But essentially you want something that is a shallow mount. So it can fit into this box. You need a shallow mount sub to fit in this box. And see, the beautiful thing here is the holes with the screws in this factory box actually line up. So it's easy to mount. You don't have to really, do any modification to this box. The only kind of gripe I have is that, as you can see here, the Rockford Fosgate logo is kind of like offset rather than perfectly straight, but whatever. So here's also the inside of the box, just so you guys can see. I will actually be getting this dynamatted inside of this box. An audio install place will be doing that for me. Upgrading is gonna be dope. I can't wait to hear it. This sub is 250 watts. When you compare it to like this Rockford Fosgate sub, like look at this shit. It's 1 ohm, 75 watts. This is such a weak sub, and it's funny because I thought it actually sounded like pretty good. And I guess the sound is decent, but man, this in comparison is gonna sound so much better.